Did you know SEO is still a top service marketing agencies offer? 77% of agencies report that it is their most in-demand service, and it's only growing. Businesses want help. Score those clients for your agency with a standout proposal. Let's walk through how to build a winning SEO proposal that only takes minutes, not hours. Let's start with the essentials. Here's what every SEO proposal should include: a clean cover page, a short proposal summary, the client's current SEO audit score, their keyword rankings, a backlink overview, and clear next steps. Straightforward enough, but executing it well takes time. Keyword research, backlink analysis, formatting, it adds up. That's where the SEO proposal template from AgencyAnalytics comes in. First, log into your AgencyAnalytics account. If you don't have an account yet, that's okay. Check the link in the description for your free trial to follow along. Add a new client to your account using your prospective client's name and website URL. This sets the stage for a personalized proposal. Next, enable the built-in rank tracker integration. Add your prospect's target keywords manually or use keyword suggestions to save time. Immediately see how they're ranking and where the biggest opportunities are hiding. Next, enable the Majestic integration to analyze backlink quality. Get insights using citation flow and trust flow metrics to guide your strategy and improve your prospect's authority. Now it's time to build your proposal in minutes. Head to the report section, click Create Report, and then select a document report. You'll have 4 options to choose from. In this example, we're using a template, so select Template. Type in SEO Proposal Template, and you'll see a preview to the right. Click Continue, give your report a name, and then hit Continue one more time to create the report. In seconds, you have a full proposal pre-filled with your client's data, ready to go. Now customize it. Fill out each section, and don't forget to include your agency's branding. Add or remove sections or channels as needed. To move a little faster, leverage the power of AI Summary to help draft the content. If your prospect has given you access to their platforms, connect Google Analytics 4 and Google Search Console for deeper insights. Remember, you're not just sending a pitch, you're delivering a strategic roadmap built on real data. Once you're happy with your proposal, save and send it off to your prospective client. I know what it's like to spend hours crafting the perfect SEO proposal. Now, build one in minutes with the SEO proposal template from AgencyAnalytics. Have an SEO proposal you need to get out the door ASAP? Check the link in the description for your free trial to AgencyAnalytics and the easy-to-use SEO proposal template. Good luck with your next proposal.